Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, December 22, 2022 on our channel. Hecoclima introduces its new series featuring air-cooled units EcoSeries. The future of residential heating in the middle of an energy crisis. The global air conditioning market keeps growing in 2022. Modine Manufacturing recognized for 60-year partnership with HARDI. Thermo launches ultra-thin electric refrigeration unit. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Hecoclima introduces its new series featuring air-cooled units EcoSeries. EcoSeries is new series featuring air-cooled units covering a cooling capacity range from 200 to 600 kilowatts and equipped with a new generation Danfoss DSG scroll compressors capable of using the most environmentally friendly refrigerant in the world, HFO 1234Z. Classified as A2L according to ASHRAE 34. EcoSeries is specifically designed for cooling large buildings, infrastructure projects, remote cooling/heating systems and other applications. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. The future of residential heating in the middle of an energy crisis. The energy market has been under tremendous pressure since BSRIA published its strategic analysis of the future HVAC market earlier this year. As the conflict in Ukraine becomes more intense and the gas supply from Russia dwindles, energy prices have skyrocketed, leading to a new way investment planning for policymakers and building owners. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. The global air conditioning market keeps growing in 2022. Americas. In the U.S., demand for residential units surged because of changes in consumer behavior triggered by new workplace practices and extreme weather events. In 2022, the residential market continued to increase in value terms more than in volume due to inflation, which seemed to have leveled off from the year before. In the commercial sector, although the bottlenecks in supply persists, construction demand continues to be robust, especially in verticals such as data centers and technology, healthcare, government, and education. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Modine Manufacturing recognized for 60-year partnership with HARDI. Modine Manufacturing Company, a leader in innovative heating solutions in the HVAC industry, was recently recognized by Heating, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration Distributors International, HARDI, for its 60-year participation in the HARDI conference. Modine Manufacturing is one of the oldest supporters of HARDI and regularly brings its knowledge of the HVAC/our industry to the annual conference. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Thermo launches ultra-thin electric refrigeration unit. Thermo launched the TH350, an all-in-one ultra-thin electric refrigeration unit. As the next-generation product of the Thermo Thor series, the TH350 unit delivers superior cold chain logistics performance to customers through its innovative lightweight design, reliable and consistent performance, and user-friendly functions. Specially designed for refrigerated trailers, the TH350 refrigeration unit is equipped with a full inverter scroll compressor and features a streamlined and compact structure, thereby maximizing the overall energy efficiency of the unit to achieve rapid cooling from 30°C down to 0°C within 20 minutes. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.